So in today's video, I don't have any foundation yet and no primer. I just want to show how I do my foundation in the right way. So the reason I actually want to do this is because I wanted to tell you that if your foundation gets like this, it's not really settled on your face and it gets really weird and oily. I'm going to show you this hack in this video, how I do my foundation so that it's not going to stay in my face like this or this. Stay with me in this video and please subscribe if you like this. So I think in my previous video, which I did that foxy makeup, I said that before, I use a slightly wet towel, not wet, but like a little bit damp towel. And then I just put it on my face, like just rub it around my face, all over my face to get the oil out. Actually, it is quite interesting because I got this idea from my mom, who she's a makeup artist for over 30-40 years. And then she was always using this trick for her brides when she was doing bridal makeups. But then a couple weeks ago, it was quite surprising. There is this beauty blogger, Iranian beauty blogger. She is living in Canada. And then she was saying that Wayne Goss, if you know him, she was saying that this is the Wayne Goss idea. But not this, to use a wet towel or damp towel on your face before your foundation. I'll just show you how he was doing it and how we're going to do that trick that Wayne Goss was doing it. But this is actually something that my mom was always doing for her brides. Anyway, I'm just staying with this plan, with this trick that my mom used to do, and using this damp towel and sticking around my face. Then we're going to do Wayne Goss trick. So I cleaned my whole face with this damp towel. Now what I'm going to do is to use my foundation. I'm going to use this Maybelline anti-eraser sort of foundation on my face. And then I will do the trick that Wayne Goss is recommending. So. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this Maybelline Instant Rewind. The color is Cameo, which is a slightly lighter shade than my skin, and also having a little bit of pinkish shade in it, as it's in the kind of side pink side of the color spectrum. Alright, so technically what she says, based on Wayne Goss idea and technique, she says make your sponge completely wet. Well, not completely wet because you don't want to make your face being wet. Just with a slightly damp sponge, start tapping your skin after having your foundation. Tapping your skin for 6 minutes. And then she's also saying that, I know that 6 minutes sounds quite a long time to like tapping a foundation, normal foundation on your skin, but please believe that it needs to be 6 minutes. So we're doing 6 minutes foundation tapping with a damp sponge on our skin. Make sure that you actually do it for 6 minutes, because you would not believe it, but it actually works after 6 minutes of tapping your foundation. So we're gonna do it for 6 minutes. You are not rubbing the sponge on your skin. You're just tapping for 6 minutes. After doing this damp sponge tapping on your skin after your foundation, she says what you need to do is to just take a tissue, which I didn't have normal tissue. You may excuse me, I had toilet. Oh, actually I do have normal tissues, yeah, over here. So let me just use normal tissues She says that you need to go on a very thin layer of the tissue, that you're making sure it's not a full. Okay, so this is what she says. You are covering your sponge like this with normal tissue and then tapping it on your skin for another 1 or 2 minutes. So we'll see what happens next. What she was showing on her page, she was showing that her tissue was full of actual foundations oil. So we will see if it actually works or not. All right, time's over. Now let's go and have a look what happened to this little tissue over here. Actually, I might have tapped a really strong, but as you can see, what she was saying, technically, this is the actual oil which comes from the foundation. So now we know that you can just put your foundation on and tap the foundation first 6 minutes with a damp sponge. After tapping your face 6 minutes with damp sponge, you're going to tap your skin for another 2 minutes with a tissue going around your sponge and then tapping it again. So this is Wayne Goss idea, and summer makeup artist who she lives in Canada was recommending it. So I give a credits right now. And this is what I actually have been trying it on my skin. Let's just have a look. All right, so what I see is, because I haven't really tapped on top of my lips, it's not really working, but it is incredibly working amazing under my eyes and my like cheeks, and under my lips, on my chin basically, and then over here under my cheeks again, and on my forehead again. It's really working amazing. So this could be an amazing idea to do this. And if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos every week, probably. I hope so, every week, yeah. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.